dog, dog, a cute dog, a cute dog. Kennel, kennel, they are in a kennel, they are in a kennel. Bee, bee, bee produces wax and honey, bee produces wax and honey.
apiary, apiary,
Cattle, cattle, this is his cattle, this is his cattle. Shed, shed, a wooden shed, a wooden shed. Lion, lion, lion is a wild animal, lion is a wild animal. Den, den, the wolf is outside the den, the wolf is outside the den.
poultry, poultry,
Poultry is kept for eggs and meat, poultry is kept for eggs and meat. Farm, farm, curse etc. Farm, this farm is very vast, this farm is very vast. Monk, monk, he is a Buddha monk, he is a Buddha monk. Monastery, monastery, this is an old monastery, this is an old monastery. Fish, fish, whales are the biggest fish, whales are the biggest fish. Aquarium, aquarium, the aquarium has sharks, the aquarium has sharks. Birds, birds,
birds are flying together, birds are flying together.
aviary, aviary.
Horse, horse,
The horse is running, the horse is running. Stable, stable, the pebbles are stable, the pebbles are stable.